Today we are going to discuss about basic concept of open circuit and short circuit in series connection. Here we have taken a simple circuit in which R1 and R2 are connected in series with voltage V. Because of this battery, current will start flowing from positive to negative. And equation of the current can be written as I is equal to V upon R equivalent, where R equivalent is R1 plus R2 because these two are connected in series. Now suppose this circuit gets open at this particular terminals, then what will be the resistance of open terminal? Can we take it as infinite? Okay, so R equivalent will be R1 plus R2 plus infinite. Anything we are adding in infinite, it will be infinite. So you can say that current will be zero. That means no current can flow through the circuit when circuit gets open. However, if you are connecting any voltmeter at this particular terminals, then you will get potential difference over here. Now in this case, what will be the potential difference? See, the voltage V is applied and current is not passing through the circuit. That's why voltage drop across R1 is 0 and voltage drop across R2 is 0. That's why this voltmeter will show you reading V. That means it will show you the supply voltage. Now the next condition is short circuit condition. In short circuit condition, it may happen that any of the resistances get short circuited. Here R2 is getting short circuit using this wire. So what will be the effect of this that we have to analyze? So we want to find current equation. So for that we will first of all find R equivalent of the network. Now resistance of the short circuited path can be considered as 0 ohm. 0 ohm is in parallel with R2 and the whole circuit is parallel with R1. So effective resistance is R2 into 0 divided by R2 plus 0 plus R1. So here we can say that equivalent resistance is R1 only. So current will pass through positive of the battery, then R1, then this short circuited path, and then negative of the battery. So here we have to learn that current will always take the path in which the resistance is minimum. So here current is taking this path instead of flowing through R2. So today we have learned two topics, open circuit and short circuit. In open circuit, the current cannot flow because the path is open, and in short circuit it is taking the path which has minimum resistance. You can reach us at found.off.engineering@gmail.com. Thank you.